Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Today we're taking a look at another 2024 Yeezy. The Yeezy Foam Runner in MX Granite. This shoe was released alongside the other Yeezys mentioned in my last episode on March 15th, 2024, at a retail price of $90. The MX Granite Foam Runner showcases swirly gray tones on a lightweight build. A contoured heel combines with the textured footbed to deliver a secured, comfortable fit. As far as resale like the other Yeezys, these might still be sitting on the Confirmed app by the time you watch this video. So if you're thinking about grabbing a pair, launch the app, go quick, and see if they're still in stock. Me personally, I'm not a huge fan of the foam runners, I prefer the slides, but I did grab this for one of my friends. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.